Dear students, today I am going to discuss with you Unit 6, a reference librarian or the information officer. Let us start with the concept. As we are well known the concept of a library, the building or the house which contains the books, journals, newspapers, magazines, periodicals, video, audio cassettes, microfilms, multimedia, CD, DVDs, and computer database of all the subject for a read, reference, and a provision for lending to the home. And also the information house or the information centers having the most advanced electronic information sources including internet, digital libraries, and virtual libraries, and remote access to a wide range of information sources. Because today we are living in the information era. Each and every day, the new information is generating in all the subject throughout the world. The library and information centers are the only place to collect that kind of updated information sources. As a result, the employees or the staff, those who are working in this type of library and information centers are called as the information professionals. The information professionals combine the traditional duties with a task of involving quickly changing technology. The library professionals help the users to find the information and how to use it effectively for the personal and professional purpose. They have the knowledge of wide variety of scholarly and public information sources. The librarians present day, the library and information centers, they well known the traditional duties along with the updated new digital services, technological services also. The reference librarian are the information professionals positions focus on three aspects. One is user service, second one is technical service, and third one is administration services. The first one, user service. In this user service, the information officers are going to conduct the orientation class for the users community, and they are going to educate them towards the information sources or the service which are available, which are provided by that particular information centers, and lending service, reference service, referral service, and the user service analyzing the user needs. The information professionals are the officers analyzing the user needs and interact with that particular user community and guide them how to search the information, which one is relevant, which one is updated, which one is recent. These kind of activities comes under the user services. Then technical services. Technical services include the acquisition, classification, cataloging, abstracting, indexing, and translation. What kind of information sources they are acquisition, how they are going to classify those information sources for the benefit of user community, how they are going to catalog, how they are going to abstract, how they are going to, is there any indexing, how they are going to indexing, and translation, how they are going to translate the other language users. So these kind of services comes under the technical services. With the help of these technical services, the information professionals or the information centers are able to achieve their goals and objectives. Then third one is administration services. Administration service is the most important and responsible job. As a manager, as an information officer, as a reference librarian, how they are going to manage or the administrate that particular information centers. So that aims and objectives are all depend upon the administration and the particular administration. The information professionals, how they are going to plan, how they are going to organize, how they are going to staffing each and every section in the information centers, how they are going to direct those employees, and how they are going to coordinate with them, and how they are going to finally report, and how they are going to lead that particular information centers with a fixed budget. These kind of services comes under the administration services. The reference librarian, the information officer are classified according to the type of library in which they work. Public library, school library, college library, university library, or any other academic library and special libraries, because the public library collection and user community and services also different, and school library collection user community and service method is also different, and college and university libraries collection and user communities and queries and service method is also different. So in the same way, special libraries services and collection and users communities are also entirely different. The special libraries are maintained by the government agencies, museums, professional associations, unions, medical centers and hospitals, religious organizations or research laboratories, etc. And the information professionals, the librarian, the reference librarian having the close connection with all the subjects. Therefore, the therefore they are called the information officers or the librarian called as the teachers of teacher, masters of master. So this is the brief concept of the reference librarian